Today is still January 7, 2021. Haven't even been in this new room less than 24 hours, and they've now destroyed the 100-year-old trees that I thought I was going to get to sit out in peace, but this is what they do. I finally couldn't get the window open to get out here. So I just want y'all to see that it's nowhere else down the whole street, only right here. So hopefully y'all can see all of this crap, because I moved in. So all these big trees, see them? Look at them up there. I hope y'all can see this. All three of the trees that they've chosen to destroy, because I moved in, I didn't sell out to Satan, and I turn in corrupt cops, military, Freemasons, and I'm not a sellout to Satan like these clowns are, and I'm not a coward. So this is what they do at every place I stay. Every single place. This begins. It's called game stalking. That's what they do to targeted, empowered individuals. All this for one middle-aged woman. Think I'm kidding? I'm not. This is the New World Disorder. Welcome to hell. Ruining 100-year-old trees just to cause noise and harassment, and take away any kind of joy that a targeted, empowered individual might have in the satanic world. Well, hope it's worth your soul, community-based criminals. That's what it's going to cost you, your soul. See what I'm doing? It's not way down there. Look how old these trees are. But this is what they do. And then on the back, I've got construction back there, and on the roof, they had leaf blowers again. Y'all need to repent, community-based criminals, while you still have a chance. Jesus is coming back, and those you're harassing are God's elect, just so you know.